So what the Tibetan government should immediately do, the Tibetan exile government, CTA, should immediately do is to unite the people, remove any references regarding Dorje Shugden. Why? Because it makes them not democratic. And if you wish to be democratic, then act as if you are democratic. Be democratic and govern and rule and take care of your people in a democratic manner. Otherwise, don't tell people you're democratic and on that basis receive a lot of aid from the West. Finally, Your Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama, I, and tens and thousands of us who practice Dorje Shugden loved you prior to the ban against Dorje Shugden in 1996 and still love you now. We respect you, I respect you, I love you, and we all love you and we care about you. We wish no harm towards your person in any way, shape, or form. Since 1996, we're not allowed to attend any of your teachings, any of your gatherings, any of your secular talks. Even secular talks were not allowed. And it hurts very, very much. Please allow us to meet you. Please allow us to join your talks. Please allow all people, irregardless of their religion, even if they practice Dorje Shugden, to join your talks. I myself do not wish you any harm or any negative energy or thinking towards your direction, but I am appealing to you to unite your people, unite all of us religiously. We're all Buddhists. We're all one.